Today, I'll show you how to do your Samourai wallet crypto taxes. Hello and welcome back to another wallet integration video. This week we're tackling a bunch of different mobile wallets, and specifically this week we're doing the Samourai wallet. So I'll tell you a little bit about them, then I'll jump into the integration part of the video, and then lastly, I'll show you how to get the necessary tax documentation. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into it. So this wallet was founded in 2015 and it's based out of the UK. It is a privacy obsessed Bitcoin app. There is no other crypto it supports. It just supports Bitcoin. They also sell their own Bitcoin node. If you're interested, obviously check out their website, or if you're using it, let me know in the comments how that's going. But yeah, that's enough about them. Let's jump into the integration. Okay, so first step, as always, log into your Koinly account. If you don't have one, create one. It's completely free to sign up. Follow along until you're ready to get a plan. Go into the wallets area and click on add wallet, and then we're gonna find the Samourai wallet. So a few different options, I'll explain each one of them. First, import from file. There's no way to get a CSV file currently from their mobile app. That could be subject to change when you're watching this video. Alternatively, you might have some luck by reaching out directly to them and specifically asking for a CSV file with all your transactions. The second route is the setup autosync route. And here we have Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin. These are not supported by this wallet, so you're only really interested in Bitcoin. So you would go on connect blockchains, then you would type in Bitcoin, and here you have two different options. So the first option is to follow a guide I made on XPubs. It's called exporting XPub from BRD, Jax, and other wallets. So the reason this wallet is a little bit tricky is because in the actual app, there is no easy way to just go under settings and find your XPub keys. However, this video will take you step by step in how you can generate and get your own. So I'll leave an article and the video down below so you can follow along at home. The other option is to, add every single BTC address that you've used. You can add up to 20 different addresses into a single BTC wallet on Koinly. This will sync everything correctly. However, it can be tedious, especially if you have a lot of transactions. So definitely keep that in mind. This also, in my opinion, is a bit suboptimal because you'll have to remember to add every address that you use, since transactions won't sync unless you add the individual addresses. So a little bit tedious. I would probably recommend following the first route. Alternatively, I guess if you want, you could try messaging them directly and asking for a CSV file. But if that doesn't work, I would recommend this guide on generating your XPub keys. So once you found your XPub key, you can obviously copy and paste it here, or you can go down the other route of putting all your different addresses and then importing that way. Once you have that, you would go into your transactions area and you would kind of see underneath the hood what's going on, making sure everything is sitting correctly with you, making sure if you have other wallets and you have staking, making sure that's tagged correctly. And then once you're happy with that, you would go into the tax reports area and you would get one final summary of your crypto activity throughout the year. And then once you're happy with that, we have a bunch of different options depending on where you're from. So for the US, we have the IRS Schedule D Form 8949. You can also export the TurboTax both online and desktop versions. We have reports for UK, Sweden, Norway, France, Switzerland, Australia, and then lastly, Canada, Germany, and other countries. We have the complete tax report, which, keep in mind, is a document you can print off and give directly to an accountant, and they will combine it with your other tax documentation. Or alternatively, you can invite them to Koinly to set up their accountancy firm here with us. But that brings us to the end of this video. Obviously, one more thing is to check your country's rules and regulations because these tax reports might be deductible. But yeah, let's go into some help articles if you're still having problems. So I'll leave links to those down below. Firstly, we have the Koinly Help Center with countless different crypto tax related articles. Then we have a forum section where we talk to members of our community as well as our staff. Then we have a feedback section if you're having any issues with our software. And lastly, if all else fails, you can message us directly and we'd love to help you out. But I do hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.